Okay, you guys, this is out in the desert. Let's do a walk around here. This carriage. The tabs on it are from 2015. Oh, it smells close to it. It smells bad. And it has, there's some mail from Parker. The P.O. Box was in Parker. It has a lady's name on it, so I don't know. Squeaky, creepy door. Oh yeah, it just has a really bad smell in there. I keep getting a smell. I don't know. I don't know if it's a dead body, but it's bad. Oh wow. Yeah, it must have been a lady. There's a purse. Alright, this is pretty creepy, you guys. I don't know what happened here. I don't know why this has been left like this. Looks like at one time it wasn't bad. What does the warning say? It says, this vehicle or property license, U.S. Department of Interior Bureau. Let me see. Abandoned property. It says unauthorized use of public lands. And that was on I don't know what that date says. It says something, I think it might have been February 27th, but I can't read it. I'll have to look. The officer was T. Jones, Bureau of Land Management, so it's BLM. This is why they're starting to close down BLM land to campers, because of stuff like this. This is absolutely ridiculous, disgusting, and really fucking sad. Excuse my language. Alright, have a great day, because you know you can explore everything, even if it's crazy stuff like this.